Hey, that cough sounds brutal. You need Fisherman's Friend. Trust me, these things work. Now, I'll be honest with you. They're not pretty to look at, and they don't taste pretty either. But that's because they're all about powerful relief. One lozenge, and you'll feel that extra strong menthol kick clearing your throat and opening up your sinuses instantly. And the best part? They're sugar-free, so you're not loading up on extra sugar. Just pure, cooling relief. I always keep a pack on me. 38 lozenges per pack. Perfect for your pocket, your desk, or your car. Fisherman's Friend has been around forever because it actually works. So here, take one. It might not be pretty, but your throat will thank you.